So this is my first K-pop Demon Hunter cake, and I made this cake 3 times. The first time I cried because it took me 10 hours, and then the second time it only took me 8. But I still cried because it just sucked. But the last time it was only 5 and I didn't cry. It's progress. Same cake, better discipline. And it's pretty funny because when I'm working out and I'm doing my squats, I say the same thing. Same cake, better discipline. K-pop Demon Hunters was released a while ago, but I'm excited to be making cakes that I missed out on before. So let's get to the crumb code. So at the end of my first attempt, I was reciting my favorite quote to myself. The only real failure is a failure to try, and our measure of success is how we cope with disappointment, as we always must. It's from a movie I love, and whenever I say it in my head, I always hear the voice of Judi Dench. It always helps me when I'm dealing with ugly cakes. Like the first version of this cake was ugly. She looked malnourished. I don't want to show it to you because it was trash. The first time I made her, everything felt harder, slower, more uncertain. But repetition builds confidence. The second time I remembered what worked and I decided that I wanted to innovate. So the third time, my hands already knew what to do. I created fondant molds that made the process go a lot faster and just everything felt more natural. Usually I only make cakes once, but when I'm really unhappy with it, I just consider it a first draft, throw myself a 5-minute pity party, and then try again. And with this cake in particular, I learned a lot, but growth isn't always dramatic. Sometimes it's just smoother buttercream on your third attempt. Now it's time for some fondant. The first thing we have to do is just lay down some base fondant to create the shape of her hair and her bust. At this stage, she's just loading, but structure first, always. Then we can add some more layers. People think hair is the hardest part, and it was the first time. The first time I made her hair, it took forever because I was braiding large pieces of fondant. But the last time I made custom fondant molds, which was such a cheat code. And it's also why I like to innovate. I always find problems, but I don't mind spending a few hours creating a solution, especially if it'll save me a lot of time in the long run. Now for the details. This is my favorite part. The jewelry, the costume details, the luster dust highlight in her hair. It's giving light, it's giving new single, it's giving golden. What I love about Rumi is that when we first meet her as a demon hunter, she's confident. She runs into battle because we know she's done this before. She's not scared, she's practiced, powerful, and we believe it. The music helps sell it too because that song is like top 5. The way it builds in the airplane sequence when she falls out of the plane with confidence is so impressive. And then after, when her demon patterns are revealed to us, we see something deeper. Even someone who's running towards danger can still carry doubt. And that's the part I connect with. Because when I'm in my element and I'm creating, I feel confident. But when I step out of that, there is doubt. Put me in front of a group of strangers and ask me to engage in small talk, and you'll understand why people think I'm forgettable. Also, when she's looking at her demon patterns in the mirror, it's like when I had to show my doctor my eczema. It's so vulnerable. The first layer of fondant gave me structure. The fondant molds gave me efficiency, but all of these tiny details, that's discipline. And voila. 24 inches tall, vanilla on the inside, demon hunter on the outside. I'm happy with this. It's not perfect. There are still things that I think I could fix, but I'm not doing this again. I'm content. So I think I deserve this slice. Sometimes cutting into a character feels like betrayal, but this feels like a celebration. Now, I am going to be making the other 2 demon hunters, but which one do you think I should make first? Drop your cake ideas in the comments, and if you want to see how the other 2 turn out, you know where to find me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll talk to you soon.